So, good morning guys. Today we are moving to the boys' camp. We're leaving this room and we're just sitting on the balcony. I'm having a hot chocolate and we're just taking in the views. We are listening to music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Me and Amy just went and took some pictures around by the other swimming pool and yeah, we're moving. Kind of exciting. Also got an update from BA. Not a great one, to be honest. So originally our wait at Doha on the way home is meant to be 2 hours. They then changed it a couple of days ago to a 4-hour wait. Now they've changed it again to an 8-hour wait. 8 hours and 40 minutes. So not too happy about that because I think it is very long. Obviously if we need to do it we'll have to, but already it's a long flight without a 9-hour wait. Like, it's very long. But anyway, that's that. I think they're gonna call my mom later on. I said to her maybe she could try for a lounge because that is a very long wait. But anyway, we'll see what happens with that. We don't still know what's happening because my brothers might end up getting stuck here. They definitely are going to be here for a month. Well, unless BA are calling us back today, so we're going to find out today whether they're staying here for a month or whether they're going home on the 7th. Goodbye to our room. All of our stuff's packed up.
I'll bring our suitcases down and then...
Cool. I'm finishing my hot chocolate in a rush. Where's Amy? There she is. She's deflating these a little bit so that we can actually bring them with us. You taking it down?
Yeah. And then I'll go and get a taxi.
Cool. Got all of our stuff here. That was literally our room. We've brought it all down. And we're just waiting for my mom to come back. Hopefully she gets a taxi. Okay, so we managed to get all of our stuff onto the tuk-tuk. So we've actually got a tuk-tuk. All of our stuff is literally piled here. All of our suitcases, our donut, our alligator, everything. Alligator. Yeah, so we're on a tuk-tuk going to our new place. I'm really excited actually. It's an alligator because of the shape of its nose. Yeah. One of our pot noodles fell out the back. The suitcase nearly fell. Whoa. I'm actually quite excited to be moving. Whoa, all the stuff's falling. I'm excited to be moving because in the new place we've got Netflix and in our... So for some reason this clip got cut out. I don't know what happened, but what I was basically explaining was that I was really excited to be moving to the new place because in our other hotel we didn't have Netflix or anything like that. We only had one channel, the news. So when we had to stay in our rooms for the curfew, we were quite bored because all there was to watch was the news. And also I was excited for the shower because in our other place we had, it was a shower but like just on the normal floor and there was just 2 holes, but the water didn't used to go down properly, so the whole bathroom floor would like be covered with water. But yeah, other than that, the other hotel was really nice. Shot. There's the children's library. And over here there's some dogs and they're like wolves. They're really scary. There is where the boys play football. And that is where we sit to watch them play football. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And this is Tix, where we usually go for food. It's actually really good food in there. They have a paddling pool. Is camp. This is where they like train until the camp got closed. Now they train privately on the beach, and this is where they rent motorbikes from. We are at our room now. We've got our suitcases outside. I wanted to show you guys first before we mess it up, but I'm gonna do a room tour. So this is the outside of our room. All of our suitcases are here, and literally just here is the swimming pool. Here's the swimming pool. And over there is like a little snack bar and stuff where we can get food, ice cream and drinks. Okay, let's go back to the room and show you the room. Okay. So on the outside we've got a little bench and some chairs, tables, to hang our clothes, and then we've got a hammock, and then we've got a TV, a double bed, and then they've put a mattress on the floor. We've got a wardrobe here. There might be a hairdryer in here. Imagine.
Is there?
No, there's not. Unless in here, maybe. Got some, you know? Okay, and then we've got a little kitchen area. So we've got a fridge, a microwave, some cupboards. Oh, we got a toaster. Got a toaster, some mugs, like bowls, plates, cup holders and everything. We've literally got like cup holders. That's so cool. Yeah. Then we've got some cutlery as well and a kettle, which I'm happy about. That's our view. Got a sink and then a bathroom. So obviously a normal toilet and a sink, a mirror and a shower, an actual shower. I'm so excited for an actual shower. I wonder who it is. Oh, it's open. Hello, new neighbours.
Hello.
Hello.
Danny, he stays underwater longer than he can, so you have to lift him up.
What
Yeah?
did you film with my camera? Sideways. You can't see the brightness.
Ready?
I've just got out the pool. Amy's been at the pool for like, I don't know, at least an hour, maybe even 2 hours. And she went to the room and she took a shower. But it's only like, it's like 20 to 4. I think she might be asleep, so I'm going to check on her. Let's see. Is the door open? Yeah. You're not asleep?
No, I'm not asleep.
I thought you were going to be asleep.
You.
She's awake. You thought you were going to be asleep too? I actually thought you were going to be asleep. She's awake. What are you doing? It's not a picture, it's a video.
Ow.
You having fun, Mum?
Fun in the sun.
Alfie. It's first time in a hammock.
Oh, there is sand in it.
How is it?
I'm gonna fall.
Is it peaceful?
Yeah.
We do have a plug socket. We have one.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
We can sit out here and charge our phones and relax.
Yeah.
Yay. Oh, he's so happy. Hello. He's so happy. Hello. Margie. Oh, we've got Marley's this one and Jessie's this one.
I've got 2 dogs. Look.
Amy. You having fun?
Yeah.
Dog.
Oh, okay.
It's really weird. Amy's rearranging. So this table and chair was literally right here, and she's put it down there because she wants to have a little garden. So she's gonna find 2 more chairs from our neighbours because we don't actually have any neighbours, I don't think. Let's see what she's doing. Let's see if she gets anything. She's scared. She's trying to work out if anyone actually lives there.
Wrong Sid.
You need one more. Where's she going? You did it! Mission accomplished!
I did it.
Now she's going back to her hammock. Of course. Pouring down. It's literally just came from nowhere.
Yes. I'm gonna go running in the rain.
You going in the rain?
Yeah.
Why? It might be quite refreshing actually, I'm coming. You can see, we're sitting in the rain. It's cold.
No, it's nice.
It's really refreshing. Oh my god, all the leaves are falling from the trees and everything. I don't think you can see any. It's so cold. Actually just realised it's literally pouring down and my mum and dad have just gone to Tix to get drinks and food. They're probably getting soaking wet right now. Oh my god, that's so funny. Alligator.
I had to save him.
My mum and dad have gone to get food and me and Amy are at our room at the moment, but we need to go to the boys' room so that we can actually eat. And it's still pouring down. I thought the rain was only going to last a couple of minutes because usually when it rains in Thailand it doesn't last too long, but how long has it been going now? Maybe 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Like it's actually been quite a long time, so yay. We're going to get very wet. Run for it. Oh, you just splashed all up there. It's pouring. So, you could say we got a bit wet. Literally drenched, like, literally. My top wasn't even this colour before. I don't even know if... No, it wasn't even this colour. It's still pouring down, wait. Literally, my mum and dad are still out there, probably soaking wet as well.
Hello.
Hello, did you get wet?
Not really.
You don't even wet.
All went in the big puddle.
I went wet.
We got wet on the way there.
I went and got...
There's a little cat outside our room. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys liked it, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.